The new Dacia Spring is a cheap and funky EV. Europe's most affordable electric car gets a massive update for 2024, including bidirectional charging. Renault has figured out how to sell cheap EVs for a profit. Its low-cost Romanian brand Dacia has enjoyed great success with the Spring since its launch in 2022. More than 140,000 units have been sold to date. For 2024, the refreshingly basic electric hatchback is getting a substantial makeover. Don't call it a next-generation model since it's more along the lines of a heavy facelift, with right-hand drive finally available. The exterior revisions bring the 2024 Spring in line with Dacia's latest design language seen on the new Duster SUV. There's a good amount of plastic body cladding and square wheel arches to make this simple EV look more rugged. The exterior tweaks certainly make Europe's cheapest EV more modern compared to the original version, which looked like it was stuck in the 1990s, at best. There are substantial changes inside, where the 2024 Dacia Spring has an all-new dashboard. Along with a 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.0-inch touchscreen, the cabin now has redesigned climate controls and a new look for the air vents. The updated steering wheel has the new DC corporate logo, and more importantly, it can now be adjusted in height. We also notice a new gear selector along with a smartphone holder behind it. Top videos. For such a small car, it's quite practical. The front trunk can swallow 35 liters, 1.23 cubic feet, while the rear cargo area has a volume of 308 liters, 6 more than before, or nearly 11 cubic feet. Fold the rear bench and the luggage capacity grows to 1,004 liters, 35.5 cubic feet. Several storage compartments throughout the cabin offer an extra 33 liters, 1.16 cubic feet. The packaging is decent when you consider the Spring is only 3,701 millimeters, 145.7 inches, long, 1,767 millimeters, 69.5 inches, wide, 1,519 millimeters, 59.8 inches, tall, and has a wheelbase of 2,423 millimeters, 95.4 inches. Depending on the trim level, the wheels measure either 15 or 16 inches. These safari beige and brick red colors are debuting with the facelift. The base Spring has only 45 horsepower, but you can step up to a more potent electric motor with a mighty 65 horsepower. The latter helps the cheerful EV hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in less than 14 seconds. Stick to the entry-level motor and the job is done in under 20 seconds. The small 26.8 kilowatt-hour battery is good for over 137 miles, 220 kilometers, of range and takes 45 minutes to charge from 20 to 80% via a 30 kilowatts DC charger. From a 7 kilowatt AC charger, you'll have to wait nearly 11 hours for the battery to go from 20 to 100%. It now supports bidirectional charging, so it can power your toaster or other electrical appliances. The range is far from impressive, but Dacia says it's more than enough.